Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope this video finds you well. Today my topic is regarding Ubuntu. I am going to install the Ubuntu OS 22.04 desktop on a virtual machine. Firstly, we are going to create an virtual machine using this virtual tool Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. I am going to create an virtual machine, then we will attach the ISO. You can download it from the Ubuntu or any other website as well. So proceed with the installation. You have to click on the new button and type the machine name, and the folder is the location where you want to keep this virtual machine, and then ISO image. I have downloaded it earlier from the website. I am going to select it from the drop down menu is Ubuntu 22.04 desktop AMD 64.ISO. At the end you have to click on this skip unattended installation. Then you have to click on the next button. Here you have to assign the base memory. Regarding hardwares, I am going to use 4 GB of RAM and 4 cores for my lab, and then the virtual hard disk drive. I am going to use it 125.00 GB for my installation purpose. You have to click on the next button. Summary, you will check your inputs, hardware and the disk, and then at the end you have to click on the finish button to create the machine. Next, you have the machine has been created successfully. You have to click on this start button. Our virtual machine is powering up. This is the pop-up. Here you have to select this try or install Ubuntu. Press the enter button. It will check the hardware requirements and prepare the installation procedure. It will take a bit time depending on your hardware resources. I have assigned 4 GB RAM, 4 cores and 125 GB. If you have many more resources, you can assign maximum resources as well. The installation environment is getting set up. Here you can go with just try Ubuntu button, or you can proceed with the install Ubuntu. I am going to proceed it. Then you have to select the keyboard layout. I am going with the default English US. After that, you have to be asked update and other software. I am going with the normal installation. No other options I am going to check. Download updates or install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware. Right now I am just going with the normal installation. You can select the options according to your requirement. You can go with the minimal installation, web browser and basic utilities. Then you have to select the installation type. I am going to go with this erase disk and install Ubuntu option. If you want to change the location, you will select this something else option, install. Then at the end you have to click on the install now button. The final confirmation from your side, write the changes to disk. Click on this continue button. Here you have to select your location. I am going to select is as the Pakistan time. Click on the continue button. Here you have to create user for your future use. I am going to go with my name. My machine name will be Ubuntu and the password whatever you want to set, and then you have to click on this continue button. In the end, the installation will be started. Firstly, it will copy the files and then it will start with the installation. You can download or install the older version or the latest version as well of the Ubuntu. It will proceed with the installation, some pre-requirements, some hardware configuration. At the end, you will see this pop-up installation complete. Now you have to click on the restart now button. You have to press the enter button to get the machine rebooted. The pop-up message was remove the installation media and press the enter button. It has been loaded successfully. My username appears and right now I am going to enter my username password. It will get logged in. This is how you can install Ubuntu step by step using the ISO and the virtual environment. You can install Ubuntu on the physical server or either on the virtual appliance supporting environment or the Windows server using the hypervisor V. Hope you guys understood the installation. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, colleagues and students. Until then, stay blessed, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.